Hi everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is a December daily process video, and I'm going to be working on day 4, which is going to be pretty simple. It's a story about my tree, discovering that half of the lights were not working and how hard it is to find a tree in December, but this happens often. I'm so over it. Next time I'm just ripping out the lights and buying new ones because it's kind of hard to find a tree that is pre-lit during December. So, and then Charlotte was shaming me because we didn't have the trees up by December 4th. So this year I was a little early with a few of them. And on the right side, I have snapshots of projects from our science advent calendar, which was really fun. A few of the projects were a little bit more intricate, or we were just plain busy during the week, and we would do them, or we would do a bulk of them during the weekends, or a few of the others were easier to do, so we would do them during the week. But in this particular day, we did 2 projects. One was to make snow and the other one was to make your own glow stick, which was pretty fun. I've had these thicker numbers for a long time and I love them. They're perfect for Project Life or December Daily. So I'm using the 4 and putting it right on top of that photo with the sad tree. And I had that card selected already. I think I was looking through one of my Studio Calico previous kits. I think it was a Stay In, which is the 2020 or 2021 kit. And I thought the card was perfect for it. And I'm using my prompt stamps from Everyday Explorers. And these are specifically holiday prompts. She has a bunch of others for books and everyday life and family and all that. So I love a prompt stamp, and I jump of joy when I saw that there was a holiday one too. And I'm using the Paige Evans thickers to write not, because I'm going to add a little sticker that says Merry and Bright, and the stamp said all of the lights. So I had to write not, and I added bah humbug in a little sad face. And those emoji stickers are from Pipsticks. I don't know if they have them. They're quite old. And this is where I'm adding my journaling onto a label just to layer it on top of this card. I could have put it just in the card and call it a day, but I do like adding a bunch of items and layering embellishments, so this is perfect for that. I'm gonna use some washi tape, and I have a lot of washi tape out for December. It's not a surprise, I love washi tape. So I'm gonna layer a few of those with the label, and the label is from Studio Calico. I think it was in a kit, but I also got more after. Sometimes they are really cheap during sales, so I take advantage of that. And the label fit perfectly on the card. I thought that I was going to have to cut it. And all of these stickers are from the November Pipsticks Classic Pro kit. And those chipboard stickers are from Freckle Fawn. I'm just trying to see what fits better. The adhesive that I've been using is a Tombow Mono Air Touch adhesive, and it's permanent. And these stickers, which are so cute, they are from Doodlebug, and I love the stickers and embellishments from Doodlebug, but sometimes the papers are a little too busy, which is a lot coming from me. Like, I love the new Paige Evans papers, and those are busy, so you know that it's a lot. they are quite busy. And I like buying the 6x6 paper pad, so the fact that it's even smaller makes it even crazier. And this is all typed on my phone, so I didn't think that the emojis were gonna stay in the Word document, but they did, and they look pretty cute, so I might have to go back and add a few more to the journaling that I already have. And I'm just adding stickers to this collage. Something that I might do in the future is cut out the photos and kind of do a different layout with them. But the fact that this is 6x8 might make it a little bit difficult. If it was 10x8, it would be a little bit easier because I could make a horizontal layout and they would fit a little better. I'm really happy with this, and the purpose of these collages is to make my life a little bit easier, and here I am trying to figure out how to stop making things easy, and also to add a bunch of photos because I did take so many photos in 2022. And I just wanted to add stickers throughout the layout. And I used the adhesive strip from Citrus Twist Kits to add it to the album instead of a page protector, and I'm happy with that. And this is very simple. Since I decorated these two top cards, I decided to leave Charlotte alone with her judgment. And that photo of my daughter like shaking the glow stick, which it worked, it was really awesome. I took it in our pantry. And it's a terrible photo, but it gets the story, you can tell the story about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.